Welcome to the complete JavaScript tutorial. In this video, we will talk about the arguments of a function. So, function arguments are the variable that the functions need. For example, I have this function display, okay, and I put inside the parentheses in the previous video we just let this parentheses empty, but I want to give some variables that these functions need, okay. For example, I give a variable called name and a variable called age. And I type here console.log. My name is the name that I pass in the arguments here. And I pass and plus age. I concatenate plus age, the age that I pass here. Okay. So let's go and practice that. So I will go to my VS Code. So this is the example for the last video, so I will just delete it, or I will just let the comment. So with the good practice, so I will create here, we create the function, and here we call it. Okay, so I will create a function display. I will just name it display, and here this functions is according to what I pass in the argument, it will display me. Okay, so we will see. So for example, this is a choice to give this names of variables. So age, and here I want to display console.log hi my name. I will concatenate plus name. Great, and here I will type and here I will concatenate with the age, and here I will adjust years old. Great. So now I will call this function, but I can just put like I put in the previous video like this. Okay, this is what will give us an error. Why? Because these functions need two variables to work. Okay, we type here two arguments, because here we type here console.log hi my name is name and age years old. Okay, so I have to give two variables. So we have two options to create two variables here and give it in the argument, or start here and give the arguments here. So the first argument will be name. So I will type Joey. Here in the second argument, I will give the age. So I will give 14, and we will see what happened. So I will go to I can refresh just this. So I have here, hi, my name is Joey and I'm 14 years old. Great. So this according to what I pass in the argument, he display here the name and the age. Great. Now I want to display with another person. So I can type display. Here I will type Chandler, and here 13. Here I can add display. I can display, for example, Carol, and 13 also, or 20. And if I go to my page, so here for people who are asking this page, I just refresh and I have the inspector open. Okay, so I will just minimize this a little bit. Okay, so we have hi my name is Joey and I'm 14 years old. Hi my name is Chandler, I'm 13 years old. Hi my name is Carol and I'm 20 years old. It's just the same concept that I say in the previous video. I copy this line. When I call this function in JavaScript, you will search for something called display, you will find this here. Okay, so hey, we call it using two arguments. So we will search if we have two arguments here. Good, so this function is correct. We will go and search console log hi my name is name. So we will get this whatever here and put it here. So we have hi my name is Chandler or Joey or Carol, and I'm the age, and the age will take it from here. Okay, so very simple example. For example, I will add here function sum, for example, and here I will type a b c. Okay, and here I will just display console.log. I will create a variable before s, for example var. I can create anything inside this scope. Okay, So var equal to var result, for example, I will name it r I plus b plus c. Okay, and here I will call the function, so I will call it here. So here I want to display the r and I forget, so I will type here, for example, the result is, and here I will concatenate with r, and here I will put my semicolon, and I will go back and I will call the function. Remember, so what is the name of the function? Sum. How many arguments? We have 3, so I will give 14, 15, 60, like that, for example, and I have to see the result. So I will go back to my page here. I will refresh. I will see the inspector. So in the console I have hi, this is the same result of the previous functions, and we have the result in 115. Okay, so this is the more important thing for functions, that we can give arguments. And the coming video you will see another concept that's confused a lot of beginners, called return, the return keyword. Okay, so thank you and see you in the coming video.